One of the main things that we do besides editing files is trying to keep them organized. So we're going to use the commands that we just reviewed: making a directory, removing a directory, copying, moving, and removing files. So let's start with making a directory. I'm going to make a directory called work under my current home directory. Let's do the list command to see if it actually created. And there it is. And remember, white is files, blue is directories. So now we're going to copy cp my file to the work directory. And again, let's see if it actually worked. And there it is again. So now we're going to remove that file from the work directory with the rm command. See if it's gone, and it is. Now I want to move one of the files. So let's look in the current directory and see if it's still there, and it's not. Now let's look at the work directory and see if it's there, and it is. So I keep that same file. I'm going to copy it back to the current home directory using the tilde. So let's see if it's still there, because I only copied it. And it's now back in my home directory. Now to get rid of what I just did, I want to use the rm directory command, or the remove directory. Notice that it failed because it's not empty. Let's remove the my files. Now we'll do the remove work again, and it worked that time. Let's move into the Documents folder by doing a change directory, Documents. Notice the prompt changed. If I want to go back to my home directory, which is the parent directory, remember we use the ... command, and it changes it back. Another command that's useful is using the dot, or the period, which indicates the current directory. Now let's look at some of the ways for finding files. We can use the locate command, and let's give it the name of that test file. Okay, we found there's a lot of test words out there in various folders. So it started through the very top and went all the way through the file system. Now we're going to use the find command. So let's say I want to find in my home directory where a file called my file is located. So it's going to be in my home directory, name, it shows that file is located in the Home Julie directory. Now let's look at the which command. This only looks in directories that are found in the path environment variable. You can see it's not found because it's not in one of those directories that it's showing, which is what's in the path environment variable.